Hey everyone, welcome to my new series, Indonesia, specifically East Java. It's an incredible region, rich with natural beauty, from 45 active volcanoes to countless stunning waterfalls. Before arriving in East Java, I did spend a week in Bali for a wedding, which I didn't take much footage of. But I have news. I wasn't actually solo this trip. Meet Jimmy, the love of my life. This indeed was our first trip together. But fear not, I'm still a solo travel girl at heart, and I've taken solo trips since we've been together. I'm just very slow on editing. This series will cover the 6 days we spent exploring East Java. In this video, I'll share our first adventure, Madakaripura Waterfall, which is Java's tallest waterfall at around 200 meters. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the new series. It's still the same old me, but now I have a cheeky, sarcastic, and adorable sidekick who has absolutely no clue how to use a camera.
And stop.
We hopped on a flight from Denpasar to Surabaya, a port city in East Java. Java is a fascinating place. It's the most populous island in the world, with 158 million inhabitants, with a significant portion of the population identifying as Muslim. Because of this, I put a ring on my ring finger, so I wasn't questioned when Jimmy and I shared a room. It wasn't really necessary, but I just wanted to be cautious.
It could be.
We then caught a 2.5-hour taxi to Probolinggo, a small town near Mount Bromo, one of Java's 45 active volcanoes. We arrived when it was very dark, so we didn't really do much that evening except have dinner and head to bed.
Very loud. Oh, that was a rough sleep.
It had been a while since I'd been in a Muslim country, so I forgot that the call to prayer started so early.
Fried rice with eggs. Jimmy has his toast. Cute little water. With a view. And our place is right next to a construction site, so lots of noise. I also have absolutely no clothes right now. They're all being washed, so we're just waiting for that. And then we're off to these waterfalls, the name of which I'll tell you in a bit because they're complicated and I don't have it on me right now.
Simple meal for simple man.
Very simple man. Thank you.
The breakfast fried rice was so spicy, and I am not a spicy girl. We went downstairs to book a tour to the waterfalls and then headed off for coffee. I personally have never drunk coffee, but Jimmy loves it.
Good morning, how are you?
These are all tomato vines. And we have reached the coffee shop with a beautiful view. It's called Depot Trek. Cold espresso. I think that's parking. Coffee shop's down here.
Can we get a lemon ginger honey ice?
It was a really beautiful spot for a cafe with stunning views of lush greenery from every angle. We soaked in the views, ordered some snacks, and then headed back to the hotel before our tour commenced. As we walked back down the hill, we saw all these jeep tours coming back from Bromo that morning. This would be the tour that we would take tomorrow.
I'll have to withdraw some cash because not many people accept card here, and if they do, it's quite a large fee.
It was a short drive to the falls, and we were joined by 2 Germans. Just my luck, more time to practice my own German skills.
I have big feet. Yeah, that's perfect. Thank you.
Put it inside the car.
Yes, of course.
Maybe. You never know. Yeah, so we all get one each.
Oh, you get one in? No. Oh, jump in the back?
Yeah, you're not riding yourself.
Oh, well, I mean...
Onto the cab we go. See you!
As you can see, we took moto taxis to the start of the hike. We left our shoes in the car as we were advised it's safer to walk in thongs since we were going to get very wet.
Arrived. Yay! The others have arrived. We're also traveling with 2 Germans who are staying at the same place as us. We've got Peggy and Marcel. And there's Jimmy.
To walk to the falls, you need to hire a guide. This is recommended to support the local community and it didn't cost much at all.
Reaction.
So it is the highest waterfall on the island of Java. It's compulsory to have a guide.
Is it?
Yeah, because with river crossings and things,
Alright.
and also funding local tourism. This is why you need funds. Way through the river. As usual, I look like the biggest moron with a massive bag. Big canyon. Oh, thank you. First sighting.
After about 2 kilometers, we'd almost reached the waterfalls.
There it is. My bag is in the locker, and there's a local tongue. Looks delicious. We've got our raincoats. Oh, is that one of the mine, or are they both yours? One's yours.
This one's mine. Oh, yours?
I haven't got mine yet. I get it.
Ready?
Oh, I got mine back to front. There you go, pulling it out.
Just in your little thing.
Thank you. En route. Okay, it's very nice not having a bag, I have to admit. That's wet.
Oh yeah. A little hood on.
Yeah. Here we go.
I got warm here, hey?
Yeah. Wow.
I can honestly rival Owen Wilson with the amount of wows I expressed during this time. Our guide told us to stand in front of the waterfalls for a cute little photo, and then we made our way further into the waterfalls. It was so wet, and I really needed to make sure my camera didn't get wet.
It is incredibly wet.
It's almost like we're underneath a waterfall. What do you stand underneath it? What do you stand underneath it?
Go, no, go under. Oh god. That's not going to clear. Oh my god. Wow. That is powerful.
If you're bringing camera gear, I would also recommend bringing a dry bag, which I did not bring and only had this poncho.
Very nervous about the state of my camera right now. It's here. Cool. in the quandary of dating a guy who can't take photos for shit. So, looks like there'll be great photos of Jimmy the whole trip.
Yeah, the waterfall looks really nice though, doesn't it? Huh? And stop.
Just when you think you've seen enough waterfalls, you get this one. Wow.
Now I must warn you, this part was very slippery, so you had to be really careful.
Even more waterfalls. What's that? What? Wow.
We then clambered even further up to a better vantage point.
So Jimmy, what are your thoughts?
Well, this is called, what's the name of this waterfall? Madakaripura.
Yeah.
Madikaripura, which I believe comes from the old Latin for a whale's
Testicle.
vagina. No.
And what a testicle it is.
Alright, ready?
Onwards. The whole adventure done in thong. Okay. Just got to be delicate on your feet, which I can be. And onwards. Oh, I'm going to film one more time. It's so nice. Stay down low, I'd crouch. And chivalrous gentleman. Done.
I had to get one final shot, and this was my favourite of the day.
And that is all she wrote. Camera secure. Farewell waterfalls.
We had a few hundred metres to go to return to our bags, and once I returned, I decided to try and fly my drone. This, in hindsight, was a terrible idea because it ended up glitching since there was no reception and landed on its side, and I tried to catch it and hurt my finger. This had never happened before.
Bit of a drone disaster. I broke my wings and Jim's got my blood on him. Oh, that was very, very silly. And I have a very deep cut on my finger. I was bleeding everywhere. And I've broken some propellers, which will need to be fixed. I have replacements, thank God I brought with me. I was almost not going to bring them, but thank God I did. So it should be okay, I hope. Because I am going to Bromo tomorrow. But... I guess they're back burning.
Watch out for the muffler, because that one doesn't have a guard.
Okay, I will do. 2, 1. I love you.
Get off to the left.
That one's your dude here. We are back. My drone, I'm just fixing it right now. Thank God I brought spare propellers. I was so close to not bringing this, which I was just like, oh, it's a 2-week trip, I won't need it. But thank God I did, because I will need the spare propellers. I have 2, so I think the 2 broken ones are on each side. So I'll just have to fix them now. Such a silly afternoon. I honestly just might replace them all. I have 4 replacements. Because this one is fully damaged. This one's slightly peeled. This one is also slightly peeled. This one's fine, actually. I don't need to replace that.
Just peeling off the plastic.
we're both feeling a little sick. We've had some vitamin orange, we're drinking lots of water, might have another drink somewhere. This afternoon we've done not much, and we have to be awake at 1:30 a.m. so early night, 7 p.m. right now.
Well, that's it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode where I show you Mount Bromo, one of the highlights of Java. Though I also had a bit of a disaster there as well with the drone, so stay tuned for what happened.
I fucked up with my drone.